So in this video, I am demonstrating how to use these fat grip. They are basically a way of increasing the circumference of your grip to improve your forearm and your grip strength. Now, using these, you can use these on barbells to do barbell deadlifts, barbell rows. But the key behind it, for most people, you'll start to see that they use it for typically pull-ups. Now, if you wanted, again, to improve your grip strength, these are an awesome tool for you to do so. So, attaching it, making sure that the distance is to a normal pull-up or chin-up position. And basically, as you can see there, I was just doing one rep, resetting my hands and then doing another rep, because they do really stimulate the forearms and the grip, and over time you'll start to see how your grip strength will carry over into maybe lifting more or holding on to things better. And you'll start to see also it plays a big part in understanding when your grip strength is weak, it's a correlation to how fatigued you are as well. So doing this is a very good exercise. And as always, if you have any questions, please drop me.